हणजुणेच्या सेंट मायकल हायस्कूलांत शुक्रारा फॅन्टेसिया हो सुवाळो जालो। विद्यार्थ्यांच्या प्रतिभेक एक माची मेळोवन दिवपाक शिक्षणीक संस्थेन ही कार्यावळ आयोजित केल्ली। तशेंच फाटलीं 6 वर्सां जाली हो इव्हेंट जाता म्हण प्राचार्य सिस्टर लिबी उलयल्या। आरडेक्स गोवातीर हणजुणेच्यान जोसेफ फेर्नांडीस।
Has organized Fantasia 6th edition. My aim of organizing this event, and we celebrated our 50 years. We started with this event when we wanted to showcase the talents of the students. And it is over the years that the students have really grown in their talents. We have Battle of Bands, which is music, art exhibition, Goan culture dances of different part of Goa. We have the tiny toddlers with the Goan culture again. And we have David Furtado, who usually makes it a point to train the students, and at the same time they would be performing non-stop Hafana dances which will impact the crowd today. Our students wait for this event because it is, they wait to know and to meet their classmates. The ex-students also are performing today, which the shows will be coming up. And I wish my students that they grow in all the spheres of their life.
Which, as you can already see, the Battle of Bands, which was earlier had, but now we have it for the movement. Then we had different dance performances by the ex-students, the DFDA dance performance, and so on. And we have for the movement Varun and Irina, who is giving their wonderful performance, and as well as the internal activities which you know, which have been had, exhibition come sale, the star making, which is very beautiful.
Fantasia is an event where I learned so much. I was there, I'm participating in it from the first edition, and it was a great time. This is my last year, I'm in 10th, and now I can really put my